ladies, what's up? It's Lori Willis, and I just wanted to shoot this quick video to show you my unique 3D fiber lashes. I tried to do a video yesterday to showing the application, but I don't know if you can see here. This is about 3 coats of it, and my eyelashes really are a lot longer. And I don't know if you can see, the lighting in here is pretty good. My eyeshadow, but I absolutely love the pigments. It took me a little bit just to learn how to use them because they are all mineral based and they're all like powdery, but they sell a product called Rose Water, which you actually just put a little bit of the pigment, this is the pigment here, into, I wish I could have this on a tripod, but I don't right now, so we'll have to just do what we can do. But when you open the lid, basically, this is what the tutorial shows. Here's the lid to the makeup. You just pour a little bit of the powder in there, and then you put like a drop or two of that rose water, and basically it turns into like almost like a watercolor, and you paint it on your eyelid, and it stays on forever. It doesn't crease, it doesn't flake. It's really awesome. I love that with that water technique, I was able to blend everything really well. And the colors that I used are Sassy, that's kind of the rosy color you're seeing, and then the highlighter I used was Sexy. It's kind of like a shimmery, almost like a champagne color. And then there's a dark color called Devious, and I was kind of nervous to use this. I mean, it almost looks black, but what I did is I blended a line of Devious right here in the center, and then I got pretty much just my brush with water only, and I blended the black with the pink together, and it turned out to almost look kind of like a purpley color, and it's really pretty. So I wanted to just do this quick unique pigment review, and yeah, if you have any questions at all, just let me know and click the links below and connect with me, and we will see you soon. Bye.